In the meantime, let's break exactly when it comes to the opposition side as they continue to mount attacks on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, especially the personal digs that they continue to take on him.
जसं नरेंद्र मोदी हे आता बायकांच्या मंगळसूत्रांना हात घालायला लागलेले आहेत, पाकिटमारी करायला लागलेले आहेत, ही भाजपची भूमिका आहे का? खरं म्हणजे काँग्रेसच्या राज्यात नाही तर मोदींच्या राज्यातच बायकांची मंगळसूत्र ही गहाण पडत आहेत, लुटली जात आहेत. देशामध्ये ते मंगळसूत्राच्या गोष्टी करतात. जो माणूस स्वतःच्या घरातल्या मंगळसूत्राला प्रतिष्ठा देऊ शकला नाही त्याने दुसऱ्याच्या मंगळसूत्रांची उठाठेव करू नये या देशामध्ये.
Pragya with us right now. Pragya, time and again we have seen the political discourse that seems to be taking on a new turn, especially when elections are taking place. And this is how personal attacks that are now being made against Prime Minister Narendra Modi by the opposition.
Well, Amrita, all these attacks started a day before yesterday when Priyanka Gandhi said that my mother has sacrificed her Mangal Sutra for the country. And in fact, that narrative that Congress wanted to start was drowned by Sam Pitroda's remark on redistribution of wealth, where he said that there should be inheritance law like US in India as well. But the BJP leaders are still clarifying that when Prime Minister said Mangal Sutra and Sridhan, this is very much part of the Indian household. When any girl gets married, they get that from the family as well, from their parents as well. But the BJP is also clarifying that the attack is not, on what the Congress manifesto, not just on the what Congress manifesto is saying, but this is an attack on the appeasement politics of the Congress. And intent of Prime Minister was to tell the voters that Congress stands only and only with Muslims and one portion of the Muslims, which are the special ones for them who are the vote bank for Congress. And this is why Prime Minister used this terminology to attack Congress, to showcase that Congress is very much pro-appeasement, and this is not just today, or this has not just come from the statement of Rahul Gandhi just now, but this has been ingrained in Congress psychology. And that is why the BJP leaders have given examples of 2012, Mr. P. Chidambaram, the then finance minister, when he said that there is a need for a debate on inheritance law in 11 and 13 as well. And there were other also extensive examples given when former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh said that the right on the resources, first right on the resources, were of the minorities, especially Muslims. So the Prime Minister was trying to emphasize the point that Congress stands with Muslims, a particular majority, whereas we are worried for everyone. And if the redistribution of wealth survey will take place, they will come into your houses.
So Prime Minister on one side is actually taking on the opposition and the Congress party with regards to its manifesto, but on the opposition side there have been personal digs and attacks that have been made against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Pragya, thank you for that. But we talk about Prime Minister Narendra Modi that continued with his rally in Rajasthan, alleged that the Congress party, if it comes to power, it will snatch away women's gold and also redistribute it. He further claimed that women's Mangal Sutra will be distributed to infiltrators. Listen in as far as the war of words ensued right after Prime Minister Modi made that statement in Rajasthan.